Hey guys, and welcome back. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get started with Basecamp. So let's get started. First of all, you can create your account from here, or you can just sign in if you already have an account. Now I will insert my login credentials. Then I'm gonna insert my password. Let's just give it a couple of seconds. And here we are. So basically, this is how your Basecamp will look like. So in order to start creating your first project, you can go to make a new project here and click on it. Now it will ask you some fundamental questions like the name of the project. Let's name it YouTube channel. And I will not add a description. And here you can choose the tools that you are going to use. So here I will enable all of these tools. You can also invite other teammates to your project, which is something really important so that you can interact with others. However, in this tutorial, I'm showing you the features, so I will not have to invite anyone. So now I will press on create this project and I will wait for seconds to create it and here how it will look like. So basically here we have 6 tools that we can use to manage our project. We have message board, to-dos, docs and files, chat, schedule, card table. There are some similarities. We will notice that message board looks a little bit similar to chat, and we will also notice that to-dos are a little bit similar to card table. Now let's navigate through them one by one. In message board, you can see that it's like an announcement that you can do or that you can make to other teammates. This is done by pressing on new message. And here you will have to insert a title and a description, just like a Facebook post. So I can say here, heads up. And I may say a new video is to be posted soon. So I'm announcing to other teammates that I am going to post, that we are going to post new posts soon, so that we need attention, we need extra work. I can also save it as a draft or post this as a message. I can also schedule it to other time. This is how it will look like. Your teammates will also have the ability to comment and interact with this message. Now let's return to YouTube channel, which is our project, and let's look at the second element, which is to-dos. By clicking on it, you will see that you can insert a new list from here. You can here insert all the elements or all the tasks that you need to accomplish. So for example, we can say tasks to be accomplished. And now I will insert add to this list. So here I can insert some tasks like prepare content. I will press add to this to do. Then I will also insert maybe upload videos. And finally, I can say prepare for next video. So basically here I have 3 tasks that I can check whenever I finish any of them, and it will disappear and it will show me that 1 out of 3 is completed. So this shows you the progress of your of you and your teammates regarding the tasks that you are assigned to. Now let's return back to YouTube channel to see the rest of the tools. Here you can upload all your docs and files. So basically you can click on new, you can start a new doc. However, if you did this, it will be literally the same as writing a message. So I do not recommend it. We can just go back and we can upload our file from our device. So if you have a script or something, you can add from here. So you are basically adding a script to your own YouTube video. You can post it so that all your teammates will be able to see it and interact with it. Now let's return back and see the next element, which is chats. As I said before, chats really look like message boards. However, chats is more of interactive conversation. So here you can write anything like, hi, my teammates. and they will be able to answer and respond. So basically, it's different. It's mainly different in the interface. Here, it's like a chat interface. It's more interactive. It's less formal. However, in message board, it has different interface. It's more formal, and it's like less conversational to other teammates. Next is the schedule. Here, you can adjust all the events or all the appointments that you have on your schedule. Once you want to adjust or create a new event, you can go to new event and click on it. Here you will have to decide the name of the event. So let's say new YouTube video, and you can decide whether it's all day or it starts from specific time and ends at specific time. You can also choose to repeat it every day, every weekday, every week, or you can just don't repeat it. You can also add your teammates who are involved in this task, and you can also add notes. Once you are done, you can press on post this event. And here you will find a small dot beneath your number. This means that you have a task in this day. So basically, if you are in a day before this day, it will show you the task here because it's still upcoming. However, if you clicked on an upcoming day and the task is in a previous day, it will not be shown because it's already, its deadline has already passed. So there is no point of showing it. So basically, by clicking on any of these days, it will show you the events on the same day plus the events on the upcoming days. Now let's return back and see the last element, which is card table. It really has the same function of to-dos. However, it's more interactive and it's more attractive. So let's check how. Here you can see that you have two main categories, which are not done and or not now, sorry, or done. So basically, these are the ones which are not done yet, which are still required, and these are the tasks which has been done. You can also see that the tasks which have been done are divided into main categories, like still figuring it out, still in progress. You can also add others, like for example, partially completed. And you can add another one which is completed, for example. I can just delete partially completed because it has the same meaning as in progress, so there is no point. I will just put it in trash. I can also change colors into more attractive colors, like green, for example. So here you can see that these are the tasks that are not yet to be done because they are not required now, and these are the tasks that you are currently working on it. So here you can see that by going from left to right, you are increasing your progress regarding the completion of the task. So here you are still starting, and here you have completed the task. You can also add any cards you want from here. And this is how easy you can use Basecamp. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.